Give me some revs. Don't run me over. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some exciting news. Our buddies over at Flashark Racing hooked us up with a new exhaust system for the F-150. We're taking the crappy old exhaust off of the F-150, the stock exhaust that just sounds terrible, and we're putting on a brand new 3-inch catback exhaust system. This is a startup on a stock 2019 Ford F-150. All right, Kevin, what do you think? You think it sounded good?
No.
Sounds pretty terrible, right?
It was terrible, yeah.
All right, let's get this thing on the lift and let's get this thing ripped apart. You coming? So we're gonna be changing this up from a side exit to a dual exit. It's gonna be sick. This entire back section will end up being replaced to a true dual exhaust setup. Let's get this unboxed and show you what it is. 2 over axles, nice pipe, another piece of pipe, a full bag of goodies here, another piece with nice brackets actually on this one. The exhaust, two exhaust tips. All right, so here's a pipe that comes from the catalytic converter and deletes the resonator and then goes to the muffler. It's actually made pretty nicely. If you take a look here, it's all stainless steel and their welds are actually pretty decent. It's pretty nice actually. So the exhaust is not a true 3-inch like I thought. It starts as a 3-inch and then converts to 2.5. I still think it's gonna sound pretty good. So these guys give you everything you're gonna need for the job. Guys, so underneath the truck here, we're gonna show you exactly what you need to do. To be honest with you, there's 2 bolts you have to remove and some hangers, and that's it. The truck's, it's gonna come right off. So this is where it comes off the back of the catalytic converter. And it clamps to the resonator. What size are those, Kevin?
I don't know.
You are the world's worst assistant. All right, we will figure that out and then let you guys know. All right, Kevin doesn't want to admit it, but on the back here, he said that he needed to find a nut for it, and it turns out that I was correct, and it's just tack welding.
Fuck you.
Don't curse. This is a family channel. No cursing. Hey, buddy. You do know God invented power tools for that, right?
Yeah. You ain't gonna be able to get it in here.
This man loves to work in the dark ages. We have the technology, I promise. Kevin, hold on. Is it working or are you gonna don't break the bolt?
No, it stopped. No, I moved the whole bunch, look. Moved a good fucking ½ inch.
Oh, okay.
But it just stopped.
Can I make a suggestion?
What?
Can we put back in the other one to help secure the exhaust slightly, and then we will spray it with some PB Blaster again?
Yeah, let's do that.
2 bolts that go from your catalytic converter to your resonator. These are 13 millimeter. Let me get you good angles, Kevin. Is it not the most nerve-wracking thing working on a truck or working on something on this lift when you're sitting next to this?
I don't care.
I remember, guys, the cool thing is here that they actually gave us new clamps, so we don't have to worry about reusing the old ones. We just kind of take them off and throw them away. Get yourself a can of PB Blaster. You're going to want to spray in the rubber, and it's going to help you to slide those off. Little pro trick for you.
Hold on. Stop right there.
Man, this is one big exhaust. Man, this thing comes off as one big giant section, huh? I mean, technically, you don't even have to take off this clamp to get this exhaust off.
I guess not, right? Yeah.
So 2 bolts and some WD-40 or PB Blaster, and you get this entire thing off in 3 minutes. All right, so I've turned into one of those neighbors. I actually just took the exhaust and put it on the back side of my building because I don't know where to put the stock exhaust, but I don't want to get rid of it yet. God bless my neighbors for dealing with me.
Let's go.
You literally just make fun of my toolbox?
Yeah, it's fucking disgusting. Yeah, because this is going to go right like that.
All right, Kevin, so what are we doing right this moment?
Trying to figure out why it's too damn short.
Always short. Always a couple inches short. I don't know why. My wife tells me that a lot. I'm not sure why. What are we gonna do here?
Put it back to stock.
Put it back to stock. Oh my God, we don't even know where the tool is. It's up here. You gotta drop the spare tire. Hey, by the way, we figured this out. As I said in the video earlier. Smacked this with a sledgehammer and we moved it back about 2.5 inches. Gave enough room to line up this exhaust perfectly. Shop full of tools, and yet we had to do this. I'm telling you, if it's half-inch drive, I'm gonna kick your ass. Whew. Look, Dad, I'm holding the light right.
Fucking Jamie Foxx over here.
Is that good, Dad? How many morons does it take to figure out how to drop the spare tire on a Ford F-150?
More than 2.
Oh, this is terrible. Is it half-inch? Oh, it looks like 3/8. You're right. Don't fall. You are here on your own free will. Don't fall, dude.
Taking that green car home. All right.
I hate to break it to you. If you fall, we bury you in the backyard here. Jam your pipe in my hole.
It's a tight hole. You figured the fuck out. Oh, yeah.
There's no need for this spare tire on this truck.
No.
We can build trucks, we can build cars, we can rebuild motors, but it took us forever to figure out how to take off a spare tire. Kevin, beer and wings.
Flashark.
Flashark! We are currently working on putting on these hangers that they give you, and somewhere on one of these holes, we have to add a bracket to line that up. Kevin, how much do you love the most badass spike lug nuts?
Fucking gay.
It's a gay. You can't say that. No, these have got to go. The wheels look cool, but I don't know. I'm not a big fanboy of these. I'm actually very excited. This is going to sound pretty cool, this exhaust, I think. Ready, buddy, to hear it?
Let's go. Start it up.
Let's check this thing out. Oh, it sounds awesome!
That sounds way better than stock.
Definitely better than stock, right? It sounds good! That's pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it sounds pretty good.
There's no drone inside. We were doing 60 miles an hour. It looks good on the outside, it sounds good on the inside, and it sounds good from the outside. This was a win. It's got a good sound to it. I will say that Flashark Racing exhaust sounds good. I think that the band clamps need to be changed for a better clamp system. And you gotta understand that if you're gonna do this, you're gonna end up having to mess with the brackets a little bit, your hangers. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you liked the exhaust. I think it actually came out awesome. My buddy Kevin said that the truck finally sounds like it looks, because it's got a good look to this, man. So I would say 9 out of 10 for my review on the Flashark Racing system. It sounds great, it looks great. It's a little bit hard when you're doing the install, but I think you can do it. It's really not that bad. I would say with confidence, spend your money, buy this exhaust, you will be happy with it. This was a great upgrade to my truck, and guess what? We got more upgrades coming. So thanks for being here, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.